Hi, my beautiful students. Welcome to my educational platform where you will find fundamental and engaging videos on Russian grammar. I also invite you to explore my blog where I share interesting facts about my favorite Russian singers, authors, politicians, and other cultural topics. My blog is also a platform for foreigners who have a story to tell about their experiences in Russia. I'm always happy to publish your articles. And the last, what I want to tell. I believe anyone can learn Russian language, and I am here to show you how, with my golden rules. The rule number one, change your mindset. Forget the idea that Russian is a hard language. Your mindset plays the biggest role in your success. The rule number two, stay focused. It's more effective to be fully concentrated on one 7-minute video than to watch an hour-long video without paying attention. The rule number three, embrace repetition. The power of any learning comes from repetition. I recommend watching each video at least 3 times with pen and notebook. If you follow these simple rules, I promise you will make significant progress and you start speaking Russian with confidence. Enjoy your life and enjoy Russian learning with Naya.